Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds that have health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and helping to fight cancer. Green tea contains catechin. Catechins are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. These substances can reduce the formation of free radicals in the body, protecting cells and molecules from damage. These free radicals play a role in aging and many types of diseases. EGCG is one of the most potent compounds in green tea. Research has tested its ability to help treat various diseases. It appears to be one of the main compounds that give green tea its medicinal properties. If you look at the ingredients list for any fat-burning supplement, green tea will be on there. This is because, according to research, green tea can increase fat burning and boost metabolic rate. May improve brain function. Green tea does more than just keep you alert. It may also help boost brain function. The key active ingredient is caffeine, which is a known stimulant. Caffeine affects the brain by blocking an inhibitory neurotransmitter called adenosine. This way, it increases the firing of neurons and the concentration of neurotransmitters like dopamine. Green tea also increases the antioxidant capacity of the blood, which protects the LDL particles from oxidation, which is one part of the pathway toward heart disease. Given the beneficial effects on risk factors, it may not be surprising that people who drink green tea have up to a 31% lower risk of dying from a cardiovascular disease. Antioxidants may lower the risk of some cancers. Please like and subscribe to our channel.